People are already earning thousands every month from selling digital products online. It's simply one of the easiest forms of passive income out there that you can do on the internet. But the real question is, where should you sell online? There's so many platforms out there, guys, and which one is right for you? Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Marie. Welcome back here on my channel where you can learn some skills and earn money online. In today's video, guys, I'm going to help you choose the best platform to sell your digital products online. But before we dive in, guys, we are already 250,000 subscribers. We are still 50,000 subscribers away from our 300,000 subscribers goal for this year. So if you're not yet subscribed here on my channel, guys, and you think that you can get value from me, click that subscribe button down there, and do not forget to also tap the bell button next to it so you would get updates whenever I upload a new video. Also, guys, we have a newly created Facebook page and TikTok account. I'm going to share there some extra resources and tips that I probably don't share always here on my YouTube channel. You can find all the links of all of my socials in the link tree down below. Okay guys, now back to selling digital products online. There's a lot of platforms out there, as I've mentioned already earlier. It can be exhausting trying to figure out which one would be the best one for you. So in this video, we are going to focus on only 5 most common and widely used platforms for selling digital products online. We have Etsy, Gumroad, PayHip, Coffee, and Raket. So for each of the platform, guys, I'm going to break down what the platform is, what products sell best there, any fees or cuts you should expect, who the main buyers are, plus I'm going to share my personal experience if I've used the platform myself or experiences shared by people on the internet. Now, if you're ready, let's start with the first one. So Etsy, guys, is a global marketplace where you can sell creative goods or creative items or digital products. You can actually also sell AI-generated art here, but there is a guideline that you must follow in order for your listing to not get banned or taken down by Etsy. So right now, we're just gonna focus on digital products that you can sell on Etsy. So we have here templates, planners, printables, and digital art. Now let's talk about the fees that you're going to pay for listing a product here on Etsy. When we say listing, that means that you're going to put up your product on the platform so buyers can see it and also buyers can buy it. Now here on Etsy, guys, they have a listing fee of 20 cents per product, which lasts for 4 months, and also payment processing fees. So let's say, for example, you're withdrawing your earnings via PayPal, then the transaction fee from PayPal would apply. Now for the buyer base. Now it's important to understand, guys, where do the buyers come from if I'm going to sell in this platform. And that would depend on the product that you would want to sell, who your target audience are. Here in Etsy, most of their buyer base are coming from the United States or from Europe. The buyers here in Etsy are mostly looking for items that they could gift their loved ones. So normally for gifting and anything creative, basically. Now I have already tried selling on Etsy before and I am actually pretty satisfied with Etsy. I personally think that it's so easy using the platform, navigating it, opening a shop, listing a product, and so much more. And with a short amount of time, I was actually able to get a sale on Etsy. Now we also have here some experiences shared by people on the internet, and somebody said, I sold over 2,000 digital products on Etsy since I started 2 years ago. However, somebody also complained that there is actually a very high competition there on Etsy. Now in general, guys, selling digital products is already very saturated. So it is important to find an item or product that is not too saturated yet with high demand. So competition is everywhere. Now it's up to you on the product that you're going to sell. So how do you get paid here on Etsy? So here in Etsy, guys, they have what they call Etsy payments. So it's their own payment system. And you can also get paid via bank transfer, PayPal, or some Etsy gift cards. Next, we have Gumroad. So it is, again, a platform where you can sell digital products, but it's more leaning towards PDFs or ebooks, courses, and maybe some presets. So that being said, what you can sell here on Gumroad are digital guides, ebooks, courses, and memberships. Now, unlike Etsy, here on Gumroad, you can actually list your products for free, but they take away 10 to 30% of your earnings or each sale plus 0.50 cents. Personally, guys, I think the 10 to 30% cut from every sale is too much for me. So somebody here said, it is very easy to use Gumroad. There's not much to do to set up and get started. But somebody here said that you have to drive your own traffic when you're using Gumroad. So you need to market your products on maybe your social media so people can find your item. Now, to get paid here in Gumroad, guys, you have two options. We have PayPal, which is very common among international sellers, and we have direct bank transfer. Now, the direct bank payout, guys, they only do it via Stripe Connect, and that's only for supported countries. So you have to check if your country supports Stripe Connect. Now, for the payout schedule, they do it every week, every Friday. But if you are a new seller here on Gumroad, it might take a while for you to receive your first earnings because they have what they call as a reserve period. So for our third platform, we have here PayHip. Now, PayHip, guys, they actually call it like an all-in-one platform. So this is for downloads, coaching, and also memberships. You can sell ebooks, templates, subscriptions, and coaching sessions. Now, let's talk about the fees here at PayHip because unlike Etsy and Gumroad, here at PayHip, they have 3 plans, and your fees or your cuts from your earnings would depend on the plan. So we have a free plan, a $29 plan, and then a $99 plan. Now, if you're subscribed to a free plan, which means you're not going to pay for a monthly subscription fee to use the platform, they're going to take 5% cut on every sale. Buyers here are mostly interested into coaching sessions, business downloads or downloadables, and also some memberships. So if you're a coach, this would be a perfect platform for you. So somebody here said it is very beginner friendly. I can recommend PayHip. 5% cut per item, no minimum payout. So with the 5% cut for the free plan, it's actually not that bad, especially if you compare it to the 10 to 30% cut from Gumroad and also the 6.5% cut from Etsy. So some of the new sellers who would like to save on the listing fees and also the cuts per sale are selling here on PayHip. You can instantly request a payout. So there's no minimum amount that you should reach in order for you to withdraw your earnings. Okay, we're almost done. We're down already to our fourth platform, and we have here Coffee. So Coffee is a creator-first platform. Actually, guys, Coffee is not a platform where you actually go to sell your digital products online. Originally, it is a donations platform. So here's what you can sell on Coffee. We have small digital files, memberships, and exclusive content. Now, let's talk about the fees. Now, the way Coffee collects a part of your sale is the same way as PayHip. So they have also plans or subscription plans that you can subscribe to. So they have the free plan, and they also have what they call as the Coffee Gold. So the free plan, of course, you're going to pay 0, but then for each sale, Coffee would get 5% of your earnings. Now for Coffee Gold, if you're going to subscribe to it, you're going to pay $6 per month. They're going to take no cuts or percentages from your sale. So the buyer base here on Coffee are usually fans. These are community members. So if you are a content creator and you have your subscribers or your followers, those are the kind of buyers that you would see here. To collect your funds or earnings here on Coffee, you can use PayPal or Stripe again for those countries that are supported. And again, they also do instant payouts since Coffee will not hold your earnings. Now we have the last one, but not the least, of course. I've made sure to include this one for our Filipino audience. So for all the Filipinos out there who would like to sell digital products online, you can definitely try out this local marketplace that we have. Now this platform is Raket PH. It is a Filipino marketplace for selling your services and also digital products online. So what can you sell here on Raket PH? Templates, ebooks, designs, and they also have what they call like plus services. And it is like VA work. It's like a virtual assistant work. Raket PH actually have a listing fee. So you have to pay 50 pesos for every 5 products that you list on their marketplace. So aside from this, if your products get sold, you're going to be deducted 10%. I did not explore much of the platform yet, but many people have said this. Reported some issues. There might be delays in payments, long withdrawal, and clearing times. For example, a sale is done, haven't got the money, even after a month. Now, on the positive side, somebody here said, I was able to make 4 sales without marketing my products at all. You can get paid here via the local channels. We have bank transfer, BPI, BDO, Metro Bank, and so much more. And then you can also get paid via e-wallet. So we have GCash, Maya, and so many others. So there you go, guys. Those are the 5 most commonly used and widely used platforms to sell your digital products online. Now, if you are an absolute beginner, it would be best to use Gumroad since it is completely free and it is very easy to set up. So it would be very easy for you to start right away selling your digital items, especially if you don't have budget yet for paying for the listing fees. Now, if the products that you're going to sell are leaning towards creative printables or templates, then Etsy would be the best choice for you. Another thing to remember, guys, with Etsy is that they have a listing fee, so you wouldn't be able to start right away if you don't have a budget to list your products. Now, don't worry because you can use my referral link and you will be given 40 free listings for the next 4 months. You can find my code in the link tree down below. Now, if you are a Filipino seller, Raket PH would be a good platform to start with. Now, another recommendation for Filipino sellers, you can also use Gumroad. If you have a global audience, if your buyer base are coming from US, UK, or Europe in general, then Gumroad would be the best for you. It is free, it is easy to set up. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope that through this video, you're going to be able to decide on which platform you're going to sell your digital products on. If you like this video, guys, or if this video have helped you decide on which platform to choose, then make sure to give us a thumbs up and do not forget to click that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed here on my channel. Tap the bell button beside it so you would also get updates and notifications whenever I upload a new video. Once again, guys, you can visit my link tree in the description box below or in the pinned comment section. You can find there all the referral links, all the referral codes, my socials, and also my stores. That's it for now, and I'm going to see you around on the next one. Bye!